Quick update on the Bolens. Problem with the engine. The starter actually. Most of you that know what a Bolen is about, this is an aluminum casting for the oil pan base on which the starter is attached. Yeah, it's cracked, so I'm going to try to fix it. I don't have anything to weld aluminum. I think I get something that I can do to repair it. I don't know why it did crack, so the last thing I knew, it was not starting and the starter is loose on the base. I think maybe there is 3 screws on this, maybe one got loose, and then only the top 2 ones were still tightened, and maybe it was not strong enough to get all the whole load. This is the project today. Okay, as you can see it, the top portion of that casting is cracked at this point. Oh, I see. Oh, crap. So this is the aluminum threads. Oops. So the base, the screw at the base did pull the thread, and the 2 remaining screw did screw up. Okay, this piece is going there. That's the broken part. There's a bolt at the top and at 9 and at 6. This is the only one that's still good. So this one is going to go right behind this. So this one will be clamping the. This is a 3/16 of an inch steel plate. I'm going to clamp this here, and it will also clamp at the top, so which should be helping holding it. Then I'm going to use some stick steel from GB Weld that I will put in between the steel plate and the aluminum casting. And the idea is to fit all of this all together at the same time, so that it's already clamped because before this one is setting. Hopefully. Yeah, I don't think it will make so, because it's still getting really granular. It's not very much working like I'm used to see. I'm going to use a regular epoxy. Okay, it should work. Okay, that's time to do a tile. Negative, 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 positive. Do a quick start like this. Seems good. Okay, let's try this. Okay, choke lever and gas lever are fine. Now, engage the PTO. So far so good. I'm going to hook the flow now. This is it. Hope you enjoy. I hope it can help any other that would have the same issue with the small bracket for the starter. I know that I don't have anything to weld aluminum. I know most of people doesn't have any. Well, actually, this part is coming along with the oil pan, so that's an expensive part, I would guess. So a quick fix. We'll see in the future how long it lasts. Thanks. See you next